This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Figar Figar. First, carefully clean your Figar Figar by rinsing it under cool water for about 1 minute. Then, gently pat it dry using a clean cloth or paper towels. Prepare your workstation by gathering all necessary ingredients, including 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Proper preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience, setting you up for success. Now, let us begin building our flavor foundation. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over a steady medium heat until it gently shimmers. Add your diced onion to the warmed oil and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes wonderfully soft and translucent. Next, stir in your minced garlic, letting it cook for just 1 minute until it releases its delightful fragrance, but never letting it brown. Now it is time to introduce our star ingredient. Add the dried Figar Figar pieces directly into the skillet with your fragrant aromatics. Cook the Figar Figar for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring periodically until each piece begins to develop a light golden brown crust. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, allowing it to gently deglaze the pan. This step is crucial for capturing all those delicious, browned bits from the bottom. Once the broth is added, reduce your heat to a low setting, then cover the skillet tightly. Allow the Figar Figar to gently simmer for a full 15 minutes, letting all those flavors meld together beautifully. After this time, check for tenderness by carefully piercing a piece with a fork. It should feel very soft. If the mixture appears too dry, add an extra 1/4 cup of broth, ensuring a consistent, gentle simmer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.